Hi, this is Radha. We are Team Self-IO back again with more updates for Milestone 2. Our project topic is to develop a prereq guide using interactive tutoring systems (ITS) that can help coach and supply appropriate learning resources for the OMSCS courses. This slide shows the current architecture of our application. Home controller shows all the available classes. It allows registered students to view the assessment and the resources for the classes. We have customized ITS controller to have 4 models for our project purpose. This might vary upon typical ITS implementation. All the resources available for every course are stored in the resources model. Registered students' information are stored in students model along with their mastery level for a given subject. Once a student takes assessment, their mastery level gets updated. The instructor model is the most important of all the models. It interfaces with both the student model and the domain model to present the assessment for a student. It also determines the student's mastery level based on their responses. For the tech stack, we are using ASP.NET MVC with code-based entity framework. The code-first approach allows us to easily publish changes to Microsoft Azure SQL database in production. For the front-end, we have organized and designed using HTML and CSS and jQuery for validation. The design of the application has been done using Bootstrap to ensure a responsive desktop and mobile experience. We are maintaining our source code in GitHub and Visual Studio Community Edition as IDE. Next, Peter is going to present a demonstration on the work that we have accomplished so far.
So for this demo, we're going to show the progress we made on the assessments and additional resources for our Self-IO site, which will help students assess their prerequisite levels for OMSCS courses. So we'll log in. You can see that under this current user, I haven't taken any assessments, so I don't meet any of the suggested prereqs. So we can go ahead and select software design process. It gives you a description. We can take the prerequisite assessment, and I'm just going to click. I'm not actually answering these correctly probably, but just clicking around so we can get a feel for the functionality. So the student will answer all these questions, and these will all be validated. So if you try to submit without them, you'll be notified, and you can then submit. And since I probably got nothing right, the mastery levels haven't changed, but the students' mastery levels will be updated as their quiz is graded. And then that will be reflected then back on the home page when the student meets the suggested prereqs. If they still don't meet the prereqs, however, they can go and check out additional resources, which is a bit of a library we're still building. But they can access different links here that are available to OMSCS students, as well as things on the web.
We are on track with the schedule. We have some tasks planned for the next 2 weeks. Right now, we are utilizing a service via Microsoft Azure for deployment. We are also researching for other options due to the approaching data limits with the current service. Now, the system shows all the available questions. We are working on to select only a percentage of questions per subject matter to add to the assessment. We are also working on to make assessment more dynamic by presenting questions suitable for the mastery level. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to hear your feedback.